In this video, you'll learn how to stake Shiba Inu on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to earn rewards on your SHIB tokens effectively. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you're signed in, navigate to your spot wallet. Here, you will need to check your balance to ensure that you hold Shiba Inu, commonly referred to as SHIB. If you find that you do not have any SHIB tokens, you will need to purchase them through spot trading before proceeding. The next step involves locating the Earn section of the Binance interface. You can find this by looking in the main menu at the top of the screen. Once you have accessed the Earn section, search for available SIT staking products. It is important to review the various staking plans presented to. Pay close attention to the annual percentage yield, or APY, as well as the lock period terms associated with each plan to ensure they meet your expectations. After selecting a suitable staking plan, you will need to confirm your subscription, enter the amount of Shiba you wish to stake in the designated field. Once you've entered your desired amount, click the button to confirm your subscription. Upon confirmation, your SHIB tokens will be transferred to your Earn wallet, and you'll begin earning rewards based on the staking plan you selected. Monitoring your rewards is essential after you've staked your SHIB tokens. You can do this by returning to the Earn dashboard, where you will find an overview of your staking activities. This section will display the rewards you are accumulating along with other relevant details regarding your staking status. It is advisable to keep an eye on your internet connection speed while performing these actions, as slow connections may hinder your ability to complete these tasks efficiently. Additionally, ensure you are aware of the file size of any related documents or confirmations if prompted, as larger files may take longer to load. Always check that you have adequate storage in your Binance account to accommodate any additional transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.